Okay, so very good morning students. Welcome back to our online class for today. Okay, so today is Tuesday, November 10th, 2020. Alright, students, so because of COVID-19, we have to learn from distance learning again, alright, for 2 weeks until we get another announcement from the Ministry of Education. Okay, students, so today Tuesday, can you tell me about the subjects that we are going to learn for today? So there are 2 subjects per day, right? The first subject is that. Okay, so the first subject is listening starter 3 that we are going to learn for the first session, and for the second session we are going to learn from Hangout 3. Okay, so right now teacher believes that you guys have books in your hand already, and you guys are ready for our online class for today. Okay, all right, good students. So before we get started our learning right now, teacher would like to ask you some questions. Students, how have you been? Okay, so where did you go for this holiday? For the holiday, everyone. Okay, so teacher believes that you guys fine and you have enjoyed with your holiday as well. All right, good students. So now let's come back to our lesson for today. For the first session, we are going to learn from speaking Jura 2. We are going to learn from listening starter 3. Okay, so students, now please open your book to page 18 altogether. To page 18, then you will see the lesson that we are going to learn for today. So this is unit 3. I don't understand. So this is the new unity for our lesson for today, students. And you reached this page yet? So okay, page 18. Then you will see the topic that we are going to learn for today. So the first is that we are going to learn about warm-up part A. So part A, what will you do in this part? So find the words and number them in the picture. So we have the words over here, students. We have the words over here, and what you have to do is that number it in the picture. Okay, number it in the picture on your book. All right. So before you find, the word has given you already. So what you have to do, just number to the picture. Okay, number it in the picture only. So before you number this, teacher would like to explain you and read all of these words for you first to make sure that you understand about all of these words and you can read it correctly, right? Okay, so very good. Okay, students, so now let's read all of this vocabulary for you first, all of these words for you first, then teacher will tell you about the definition, all of these words. Okay, so very good. Let me get started now. Number 1, question. Again, question. Again, question. Number 2, understand. Understand. Again, understand. Number 3, problem. Problem. Again, problem. Number 4, experiment. Experiment. Again, experiment. Number 5, assignment. Assignment. Again, assignment. Number 6, do research. Again, do research. Do research. Again, student. Question, understand, problem, experiment, experiment, assignment. Again, assignment, do research. Again, do research. Right, good students. So now let's read it all together with me. Question. Question. Understand. Again, understand. Problem. Problem. Experiment. Experiment. Assignment. Assignment. Do research. Do research. Right, good students. So now let's teacher tell you about the definition of all of this. Okay. All right. So question. So question is function as a noun. I've talked about the Or verb as well, mean ask the question, okay? Ask about something. Understand. Understand means that you got something, or you catch up with the example. You catch up with the lesson. This is called understand. Okay, so means you get to know or clear about some speaker or some language. Example like this. Problems. What does it mean problems? Okay, so right, everyone. Problems. We talk about the thing that is difficult to solve, right? Difficult to solve. So we call problems. Experiment. Experiment means test something. Okay, test something, especially in the laboratory room. All right. So we call experiment. Assignment. What does it mean, assignment, students? Assignment, we talk about the things that you have to do and to submit to the teacher, like the work, like the work that teacher, like homework, like classwork. This also called assignment. Okay, do research. You know already about the research. Mean we research or learn about. We research means we find about something. Okay, find something. Can be from the internet or from the experiment. Right. It's like this. Okay, good students. So what you have to do in this part, you just find the words. So the words are over here. Okay, the words are over here. What you have to do, just number them in the picture. All right. So as you can see, the picture the picture on page 18, right? Over here. Okay. So students, so you have to number it by your own in this picture. So what we have to do is make it just move to part B. Then you will see. Okay, over here we have the expressions. We have to match the expressions and listen and check your answer. Okay, so look at this page. Okay, part B. You will see from 1 to 3, and you have to match to A to C. Okay, you have to match it into the correct sentence, the correct answer with the question. Okay. All right, students, so over here, teachers just write the number and write the letter only. So let's get started. Listen to the track 21st. Then you have to match it to the correct, letter, from the number to the correct letter. All right. So are you ready, students? Let's start listening to the track right now.
Unit 3. I don't understand. B. Match the expressions. Listen and check your answers. 1. Does everyone understand what to do?
No. Can I ask you a question?
2. Sure. What don't you understand?
Do we need to use a computer for our assignment?
3. Yes, please do some research on the internet. Then write about what you learned.
Okay, that won't be a problem.
Okay, students, so have you done with your reading already? Okay, good. So if you're not sure, you can re-listening, okay? You can listen to the track again to make sure that you can match this into the correct letter. Okay? So very good, students. So let's check all together. 1. Does everyone understand what to do? So this is with the letter. Okay, with the letter C. With the letter C. And number 2 with the letter what? With the letter. Okay, with the letter A. And the last one with the letter. Okay, with the letter B. Alright, that's all. Okay, students, so you got it? Alright, so very good, students. So if you have questions, just leave your question below this video, then the homeroom teacher will try to answer your question. Alright, so thank you so much for watching. Now our video come into the end. And thank you for watching and hope to see you guys on the second session. Okay, very good student. Goodbye.